Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Don't encourage the formation of gluten in your dough by kneading it. Mix the ingredients just long enough to form a dough, and handle that dough as little as possible. What if your loaf comes out low, tough and dense? Slaint usually discovers something has gone wrong with the leavening. Rising of the bread. 8 March 2011.
Let's help you make your mark.
A thicker loaf will get spongy inside and won't rise as much. Try a softer crust. A good, pronounced crust is part of soda bread's appeal, but you can wrap the bread in a clean dish towel while it cools to make the crust more tender and pleasantly chewy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.